Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry and today I'm showing you live swatches of Kbshimmer's Seeing is Believing Spring 2024 nail polish collection. This is a 9-piece nail polish collection that releases March 8th, 2024. And each of these nail polishes will be $12 at kbshimmer.com. I'll leave all that information in the description box. If you like nail videos like these, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button and comment below what your favorite nail polish in this collection is. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the swatches. Shall We is a muted beige reflective shade amped with a shifting shimmer. This neutral shade easily shows off its copper to rust to gold shimmer. Bright lights or flash amp up the reflective sparkle with a muted rose reflection coming through. This finer reflective pigment applies easily and covers in 2 coats for most. For a glass-like finish, follow with smooth moves and clearly on top. Superstar is a fun nail polish topper loaded with small C-star shaped silver holographic glitters swimming within a shimmery green to purple base. The shimmery base added a hint of sparkle when worn over a coordinating cream polish. Small holographic hex glitters in pink, blue, purple, and silver float within the base like fish in the sea. Best worn in 1 coat followed by smooth moves and clearly on top for a glass-like finish. Get Off My Tail is a mermaid-inspired shimmering nail polish with magical color flips. A bold grape base sets off a sea green hue that quickly flips to shades of teal, blue, and indigo. This vibrant polish is accented by glowing hollow flakes, mimicking the sparkling scales of mermaid tails. This magical shade will cover most nails in 2 coats. Current Affairs is a vibrant Caribbean blue nail polish. An ultramarine blue base quickly flips to show off aqua hues. A scattering of hollow glow flakes offers a subtle pop of sparkle like waves upon the shore. At some angles, hints of cobalt and turquoise appear. 2 coats offer coverage for most nail lengths. I'll Be There is a teal-leaning cerulean blue jelly nail polish loaded with a mix of color-shifting flakes. The jelly base comes alive with shades of golden yellow, sea green, aqua, and teal blue. 2 coats will cover most nails for a swimmingly good manicure. Seeing is Believing is a pale lavender microflake nail polish with incredible prismatic shift. This gleaming shade shows off a rosy pink color that quickly transforms to peach and gold with a change in lighting or viewing angle. In some lighting, aqua and purple will pop from the flakes against the purple base. As with most microflaky polishes, thin coats with some drying time in between will offer the best results. It Comes in Waves is a light minty green cream nail polish with light aqua undertones. This Caribbean water-inspired shade covers well in 1 coat, although 2 coats followed by clearly on top is recommended for best results. What a Pearl Wants is a white iridescent microflake nail polish. This multifaceted shade can be layered to add an opalescent shimmer to any manicure. 2 to 3 coats worn alone form a uniquely colorful manicure. showing off a rainbow of hues in pink, gold, green, and copper. Over some shades, you may catch hints of blue. Dress to Krill is a vibrant, shifting fuchsia nail polish inspired by those crustacean-colored swimsuits. A pink-leaning red base amps up the fun fuchsia to violent shimmer in this lacquer. In bolder lighting, the polish color nears hot pink, while at other times the coral and red-orange tones take over. This electric shade will cover in 2 coats for most, but those with a strong nail line or extra length may prefer 3. So wasn't that a great collection? If you like this collection, be sure to list what your favorite nail polish is below. Again, these nail polishes will be available March 8th, 2024 on kbshimmer.com as well as Amazon and some other places. Be sure to check the description box for more information, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.